गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हो आप सब? आई होप आप सब बहुत अच्छे हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे हैं, हेल्दी है और खुश भी है, पॉजिटिव है और ऐसे ही रहना चाहिए क्योंकि कोरोना के पैंडमिक सिचुएशन में ऐसा होना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है क्योंकि आपकी पॉजिटिविटी ही आपको हेल्थ वाइज बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग बना सकती है। बहुत दिनों से कुछ कहना चाहती थी, इसलिए शायद यूट्यूब के इस चैनल पे आपसे ये कह रही हूँ। मुझे व्यूज़ आ रहे हैं, नहीं आ रहे हैं, आई डोंट नो क्यों नहीं आ रहे हैं। शायद मैं एंटरटेनमेंट नहीं दे रही हूँ, इसकी वजह से नहीं आ रहे हैं। तो इट्स ओके, आई रियली डोंट केयर मच अबाउट इट बिकॉज एंटरटेनमेंट से ज़्यादा मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि अभी इस वक्त एंटरटेनमेंट ज़रूरी है और वो काम एंटरटेनर्स कर रहे हैं, वो काम आर्टिस्ट कर रहे हैं आप लोगों के लिए। मैं आर्टिस्ट नहीं हूँ, तो मैं सिर्फ सोशल अवेयरनेस दे सकती हूँ और ये चैनल ही मैंने सोशल अवेयरनेस के लिए बनाया है। तो आप देखें या ना देखें, आई रियली डोंट केयर अबाउट इट, बट आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्रेस माई थिंग्स टू यू. The first very important thing which I wanted to share is that enough is enough to talking about Mr. Sushant Singh Rajput. It's a very hard request to all of you that please stop talking about him because his family is there, his friends are there, and they are there to looking after his case, looking after his case details, and talking several times about it, talking such issues, such very sensitive issues on a local platform in a very aggressive way. That is not a right way to give a justice to anyone. If you want to give a justice to anyone, just go there, pamper their family, support their family mentally, financially and emotionally, stand with them, ask them what they need, what kind of a process they have, what thought process they have there in their mind, and what they actually need, what they actually want, what they actually request from the government, and step forward in that way. But please don't spread viral information regarding Sushant Singh Rajput case because we don't know anything about it. All the things are known by the government, by the police, and by the CBI, and by his family. And we are nobody, we are really nobody to interfere in all these things. Their artist friends, actors fraternity, film fraternity is still there, and they will look after that issue, what they can do better, in a better way. But we are nobody to interfere in that matter. We are just a audience, okay, and we can only praise their films, we can only give blockbusters to them, we can only buy a ticket, go in the theater, watch the movie, enjoy ourselves, freaking out and mentally stable our minds. That only we can do, but we don't have any right to interfere any actors and actors' life directly, because every individual on this earth, whether that person is working in a big film fraternity, whether that person is working in the hospital, whether that person is working in the police department, whether that person is from a normal middle class background, every individual including me is having my own personal life in which I really don't want society should interfere in that. I am capable enough to look after my problem, and I am capable enough to work on my problem, my personality, my thought process, my family problems, my financial problems. Whenever I need society support, social support, I will definitely request to society to help me out in that time. Try to be stand there, try to be stand behind me and help me in that process. But till that time, please stay away from all these things. That only what I wanted to request you, all of you, that stop all this nonsense, stop viraling his videos, stop talking on his issues, because the film fraternity is there, his friends are there, his family is there, police department is there, and they can look after what they can do best for himself. And a very important thing, when he was alive, you people are only interested to watching his movies, you people are only interested to understand what is going on in his life. You people are only interested to heard gossiping about his life. You people are not more interested what mental stress he was going through. So now you people don't have any right, even I don't have any right to interfere in his problems after he gone away from whole universe. So to give a peace, soul and rest to his life which still exists for his family, please stay away from that. Let their family do their work, let police do their work, let a film fraternity do their work, let his colleagues, his friends, his family friends do their work. As an audience, we only have a responsibility not to viral these bad videos to anywhere on social platform, and we as an audience have only work to respect his work, to remember his work, and to cherish his moment whenever he got some success in his life, and remember him in a good way. That only we can do as an audience. We cannot do more than that. And if you want to ask for justice, if you are asking a justice for him as an audience, then you have to ask a justice as an Indian to those who have lost their lives on Indian border while fighting with China military. You want justice, you want to ask for justice, please ask justice for those who are suffering from the rape cases, who are suffering from child abusing, who are suffering from financial fraud system, who are suffering from cyber cell crimes. If you want a justice, then please ask justice for all these issues. Also, these issues are there in the society. Why you people are sitting quiet then? Why you people are not making social videos on these kind of issues then? Instead of stretching one issue in such a long way, which already people are there to look after that, why you people are interfering in that issue? And if you really want a justice, then ask justice for all those things which are around you, instead of Sushant Singh Rajput case. That is my hardly request to all of you. Thank you so much.